1995, Bally, Midway, and Williams, really. This is like a hybrid game of all those things, all those companies. They're all kind of getting together at the same time there and consolidating. So, Dr. Dave's Pinball Restorations. We bought this game about a year or so ago. I got it from a customer who had it for a long time. I think he bought it brand new, maybe, or very lightly used. And real nice shape, nice cabinet all the way around on it. And did a little touch up to the translite. We put a color DMD into the game. We also rebuilt the driver board and we rebuilt the MPU board and took off everything off the playfield and deep cleaned everything, and even did some custom work on it as well. Rebuilt the slot reels, which are always problematic on this game. Rebuilt the flippers. And we also added Tony's Palace was broken, so we put a new one in there. We found that in Brazil, of all places, and put that in there. We added custom lighting to it. It looks like gooseneck lighting, from the 50s there, to make the palace light up and the roof light up right there. Also, want to put a cab in this game because it always says taxi, take a cab, get a taxi, hey taxi. It's always whistling for that kind of thing. So I found on eBay this 1957 checkered cab, and took it all apart and added some custom mini LED lighting to each headlamp, and also one for inside the cab itself. So that lights up really nice. It looks great right there because that's the taxi lane. The phone is stock. That lights up too. It does a flasher. I think we hit a flipper button. There you go. It rings. When the phone rings in the game, it lights up. This game is one of the few games, I think Dwight Sullivan, did it, as a Midnight Madness mode. So there's a clock in the game, and when it gets to midnight, real midnight, it goes, even if you're in the middle of a game, it'll start saying Midnight Madness and flash like a grandfather clock, bong, bong, bong. And it'll do a big multi-ball thing, and just a fantastic thing it does. It's very unique, and only certain games had it. His idea at Bally Williams Midway at that time was to have all the games in that year, or maybe a couple years, do the same thing. So he pictured in a whole lineup of games in an arcade, all these games would go off at midnight, do the same thing. Everybody's in the middle of the game would be playing big multi-balls, and all the maniacal action would happen all at once. But only some designers actually signed on to that, so not as much as he wanted to, but it's a very unique feature and pretty cool on this game. We put warm LEDs everywhere. We put them up in the back box here behind the translite, added some color changing flashers there, and some color changing flashes there. And I don't know who put that flasher there. I'll have to talk to our employees. Not sure what happened there, but over here, put a flashing thing there, so you see he's looking at his notes to take notes to find the crime. This game is pretty much loosely based on Clue, with a little bit of a gambling and casino effect, because you got the roulette wheel, you got the slot machine, and I think that's about it. You have roulette and slot. You got a train, you got a taxi, you got a telephone, you got it's like a gumshoe kind of thing. So very interesting game. Did warm LEDs everywhere on here, like I said, and on the GI, and also did some unique things. Like you put these red. Doesn't show well on the camera here, but those posts look like bright white. That's actually red. Those are red post lights that go underneath the posts. As you can see a little circuit board down there on each one of the posts. Those are red. So each post is lit up red. The rubber we use is clear silicone rubber everywhere. We also put in these mirror blades that really accentuate the game, make the game come to 3D. And it's pretty unique there too. When we got this game, you would throw the ball up this train ramp, up all the way around, and come rocketing around here, and just go bango down here and out, because it was missing. This thing was broken off. It's like a break. It's supposed to be like that. It was missing, and made of unobtainium. And they don't make this ramp yet either, so you can't even get a ramp with it all. So what was the restorer to do? Well, we found this piece on a different old ramp that was a piece of junk, and we Took it off there, put it here, and it works exceptionally well. It does its job. Looks pretty cool, and it stops the ball from rocking down there and does its job. So that's the name of the game there. And we did, like I said, clear silicone rubber everywhere, and then colored yellow post everywhere else we did. So I think that's it. Let's give this a run for its money here. Let's see what we got here.
Somebody come quick!
And then I was on the case.
So now what I do here, I can go change that. So I'm going to go for I. It's the hardest one, light roulette. So I'm going to do a skill shot here, see if I can get it. So now you can go look down the playfield here, see if I can get the skill shot. And I missed it. That's all right. And the Peter Gunn music going on, so it's kind of neat. If I can just aim, that'd be even better. Try X, it's easy. Well, we got the A. Well, not that easy, I guess. So now I'm going to do the spin. Somewhere, not that one. We just aim. There we go. We got something. Pretty generous.
Take a cab.
Right. Take a cab. Right. There, took the cab. I almost took a cab. I'm going to say, let's see, who did it here? Let's look up top there. Let's see, we have these choices here. Let's say Trixie did it.
Sorry, I have an alibi.
She's going to alibi. Sounds a little like Batman, you know, and they kind of hit the bad guys. Thwack, you know, kind of like Batman hitting the
Better hang on to that.
hitting the henchman. Elevated Madness, all right. Elevator, right? I can elevate it with the best of them. Until you hear the elevated. There's bowling in this game too. You can bowl, I guess. Oh, that was a free game. I'll take that. That's nice. Should I bet? Let's see. Should I bet or not bet? Let's bet.
Come on, baby.
Come on, red. Come on. You can do it. Get in the red. Oh, black. I lost 500,000 points. Well, that's annoying. I work that much harder now.
Get the cab. Tell me more about Tex.
Father always had a bad temper.
Is it text with a T or S? What is that saying?
That'll be handy.
All right, here, let's see. X. Missed it. Bar. Go to the bar.
Come on,
All right, I gotta win this time. Come on. I don't have a problem. Yes. All right.
Follow that cab.
Here we go, multi-ball.
Freeze, clown boy.
Here we go. Have to get a jackpot somewhere. Oh wow. Well, that's the end of that. That was the end of that. That was quick. Okay. Somebody get the phone. That was ball 3. La 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 la. What initials?
You'll do.
One, two, three. Yes, sir. Nice. Right. Nice little light show at the end here. A little fancy music going on. And the customer that is buying this game, his name is actually Tony. So it's Tony's Palace. Dr. Dave's Pinball Restorations. Like, share, and subscribe.